Our taco is so soggy, but just pretend it is. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. And if you are not new here, well, welcome back. And welcome back to Jessie. My roommate is joining us today for a video, and we are going to be doing Taco Bell versus Del Taco.
Got a new thing called free shavakadoo.
Ultimate taste test. Which one's better? So we decided to do this video together because we have opposing views on this. I'm a Taco Bell girl.
And I love Del Taco.
I used to work at Taco Bell. I ride hard for Taco Bell. Yeah, so let's just jump right into it. So we're gonna be comparing 3 items. A bean and cheese burrito, which we both love bean and cheese burritos. A taco and a specialty item. So should we start with the bean and cheese?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right, bean and cheese. Should we do half? Okay. All right. So then we get like the same bite.
The middle bite.
Oh yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. So which one should we do first?
Let's do Taco Bell.
Okay, and should we do some sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. How about bite with no sauce and then a bite with sauce?
Okay. What sauce are you doing?
I'm gonna do mild. Taco Bell mild.
Okay, I'm gonna do Taco Bell mild too. So bite with no sauce.
Okay, bite with no sauce. Okay. Bite with sauce. I actually don't know if I've ever had a Taco Bell just bean and cheese burrito. Isn't that insane?
Wow.
Is that a fucking helicopter searching for someone up in this bitch?
Searching for us.
Bite with sauce.
Okay.
Now we do Del Taco. Alright, bite with no sauce.
Okay.
Let's grab some Del Taco mild sauce now. Bite with sauce.
Oh shit. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, so much to discuss. Which one's better to you?
Okay. Honestly, I kind of am feeling Taco Bell.
Dang!
Yeah. It's the onion.
Oh yeah, the onion gives it that extra little. I just love the beans at Del Taco and the cheese, so like, but yeah, the onions. But I will say, at Del Taco, you can do this thing. I mean, I'm sure you can modify your bean burrito at Taco Bell too. But at Del Taco, you can make your burritos like bold and they add french fries to it and sauce, and that is bomb. Okay, round 1, I'm gonna give to Del Taco.
And I'm gonna give it to Taco Bell.
Wow!
I know!
Who would have thought?
I know!
We also got drinks, by the way. So let's take some drinks. We got a Baja Blast Freeze from Taco Bell. I feel like this is like the signature Taco Bell drink.
And I got a strawberry lemonade.
I love their strawberry lemonade. All right, cheers.
Cheers!
I love how the strawberry lemonade has like real strawberries in it.
Because Del Taco is real. I love Del Taco so much. Because they have fresh ingredients.
I don't know.
Yeah, that's what they have on their window, fresh ingredients. So I trust it. And it doesn't hurt my stomach as much as Taco Bell. Please, can people like say yay or nay to
That's interesting because it hurts my stomach more. One time I got fish tacos from there. No, it wasn't even fish. It was a chicken taco, and they have good chicken tacos. And I had to pull over to.
I do want to pull though of who's like if your stomach hurts more with Taco Bell or with Del Taco.
Comment,
or both.
Comment down below which one makes your tummy hurt more. All right, so next up we have tacos, which we did have to like go to both these places and go home, but our Taco Bell taco got so soggy. Oh my gosh. Whatever, the flavor is what matters, and I know the flavor is bomb. Okay, so this is the Taco Supreme from Taco Bell versus...
Mine is the Del Taco add sour cream.
And one thing I noticed was you had to add sour cream. And the Taco Supreme comes with sour cream. So.
All right.
Good swap. Okay. Opinion?
I think Del Taco's better, just because it's a little bit more meatier, and I feel like it's a little bit thicker. Like she's thick. You know?
Okay, I do see your point, but I feel flavor-wise, and even though this tortilla like held up better, like it's still more crunchy than the. I liked the shell on the Taco Bell one better, and the flavor on the Taco Bell one better. So I'm giving this round to Taco Bell.
I'm giving this round a Del Taco.
Ooh, okay.
Flip flop.
Yeah. Both restaurants have 2 points. Okay. So now we're gonna be moving on to the specialty items. And we tried to get something that you can't really get at the other place.
Yes.
So I got a Crunchwrap Supreme.
And I got loaded chili cheese fries.
Ooh. So we'll go with the fries first. Okay, so they have chili, cheese, tomatoes, onions, and sour cream.
Oh yeah.
It is a plus that Del Taco sells fries, because Taco Bell has better fries, but they're only limited time. Have you ever had the Taco Bell
I never
fries?
had their fries.
I
didn't even know they had fries.
They're like nacho fries.
Ooh.
You'd die.
Yes.
Cheers.
Bomb.
We love it. You love chili, huh?
I love chili.
She's a chili cheese dog girl.
Yeah.
I can't deny that that's really good.
Man, they layered on thick. Everything at Del Taco is just sexy, you know?
Yeah. They do like load it on there. Taco Bell employees can be kind of skimpy, I feel like. And next we have the Crunchwrap Supreme.
You just go in dry?
Well, we can put some sauce on it. Okay, Taco Bell is stingy with the sauces too. They didn't even give us any of the medium. We asked for 5 of each and they only gave us mild and fire.
-5.
Interesting. Okay, well I'm gonna go in with mild because I can't with fire.
Also, +5 because their little logo. Sorry.
Refreshing.
Refreshing.
Good? Yeah. Oh yeah, you got a good bite too. That's good, huh?
So good.
It's hard to compare them to each other because they're so different, but
this is tough because the one item I do really love from Taco Bell is the Crunchwrap.
it's a good one.
But I also am obsessed with fries and chili, so I give it to Del Taco.
So overall, I still think Taco Bell.
And I still think Del.
Nothing changed.
Nothing changed.
Yeah, let us know which ones you like the best. I think Taco Bell's just always gonna have my heart because of my job. I do think Del Taco's prices are better. They have more on their value menus that are good.
But Taco Bell does have the Baja Blast and like those kind of freezy drinks, which are really refreshing, and I think they go well with the tacos and burritos.
When we were in college and I worked at Taco Bell, I would come home with like 4 freezes and give them to my friends, and we'd add alcohol. And we'd all like go out with our freezes.
Shout out Taco Bell Flagstaff.
I'd always at the end of the night have like my little tray, and I'd be like, you going out? I'm like, yeah.
I love that. She gonna be gassy tonight.
I don't know what we're doing here because this is gonna leave us unwell. Your stomach like hates you after this shit, yeah.
And I think everyone can vouch for that.
We're doing a double whammy.
I'm going in on these.
Yeah, me too.
Del Taco is still superior for me.
Yeah. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and let us know if you'd like us to do other like fast food restaurants and stuff like that. Because we had a lot of fun filming this. We will mukbang for you anytime, us too. Make sure you go follow Jessie on Instagram. Thanks so much for coming back on the channel,
Thanks for
Jess.
having me.
Of course. I think that's it. Woo! Woo! All right. Oh yeah, that's cute. All right, and woo! That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Cute! Thanks, Jess.
Yeah, of course. That was so fun.